Hello, my friend bought some furniture at a sale. She bought 5 or 6 pieces. She wants them individualised for her children's room. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. I've already sanded and washed the furniture down, but as you can see it's some good furniture, pretty plain. I've put some paper down and some's just blown off. Before I start spraying, I'm going to go ahead and put on my mask and let's get started. And then paper's going everywhere. Okay, we've finished painting now. I picked up this material. As you can see, it was on sale, $3 a yard. I think I've got about 1.5 yards here. And what we're going to go is fit this material into the slots. You have to move over. I'm just going to put it in, make sure it's right to the edges. Underneath. I was lucky with this piece of furniture because it has ridges. What I like to do is try and fit it in as snugly as possible. And then I take a pen and I'll push as far as I can to the back and draw a line like this. Okay, and then I'll do the same on this side. I'll just push it under as far as I can go, and then I'll get the pen, push as far as I can go, and mark. Now there's no guessing where you've got to cut. All you have to do now is find the line and go ahead and cut along. Everything's cut out and we're ready with the glue now. I'm going to get my favourite glue. Use any fabric glue or pretty much any glue that's good. Make sure you get plenty on there because this has got to hold really well. So make sure you get plenty of glue on there. I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to tip some out and flip it over. This is the easiest way to do it, actually. Okay. Once you've got the glue on, you've already pre-cut and pre-measured your material. Lay it down. Let's move that along first. Make sure it's exactly where you want it before you start pressing it down and everything. That's too far up that way, so we're going to move it along. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Once it gets holding, it's difficult to move, so just do it lightly to start off with. And then just press it down like this. Make sure it's stuck really good. And I can feel no bubbles in there. Everything's nice and tight. We're going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. Okay. While we're doing the gluing, I'm going to go ahead and glue in the pieces on the chest of drawers too. I cut these in exactly the same way as I cut the piece for the headboard. Just measure them out and mark them with a pen. You can do this for any room. As I said earlier, this is for a teenager's room. But you could do this if you like. If you're like flowers, you could put flowers in there, paint this white, any colour you want. If you enjoyed the project we've done today, go ahead, like, subscribe and share with your friends. There'll be more to come. Thank you.